Welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that can transform the way you manage your lawn or garden irrigation. We found the Hunter HPC400 Wi-Fi Smart Sprinkler Controller and have included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. The Hunter HPC400 is a state-of-the-art sprinkler controller designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It features a sleek touchscreen interface and is capable of managing up to 4 watering zones, with the potential to expand up to 32 zones as your lawn or garden grows. This makes it a versatile choice for homeowners with varying landscape sizes. One of the standout features of the Hunter HPC400 is its smart Wi-Fi control through the Hydrawise app. This means you can control your sprinkler system from virtually anywhere using your smartphone, tablet, or web browser. The app allows for easy scheduling and monitoring, making it simple to manage your watering needs without the hassle of complicated setup processes. With just a few taps on your device, you can customize your watering schedule to fit your specific needs. Another significant advantage of this controller is its ability to adjust watering schedules based on real-time weather conditions. The Hunter HPC400 can save you up to 50% on your water bill by automatically modifying your watering routines according to local weather forecasts. This eliminates the need for extra sensors or manual changes, ensuring your plants receive just the right amount of water without waste. The controller's 4 included zones offer flexibility right out of the box, but if your gardening ambitions expand, you can easily scale up to 32 zones with additional expansion modules available separately. This makes it a great option for small yards, gardens, and larger residential landscapes alike, giving you the freedom to customize your irrigation system as needed. Installation is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly design. With labeled wiring and step-by-step guidance on the touchscreen, you can get the system up and running in under 30 minutes. This means you won't need to hire a professional installer, making it a cost-effective solution for efficient lawn care. Durability is another key feature of the Hunter HPC400. It is built with a weather-resistant enclosure, ensuring reliable performance even in the toughest outdoor conditions. Hunter's reputation for quality and longevity means you can expect years of dependable service from this controller. So, who is the Hunter HPC400 suitable for? It's perfect for homeowners who want to take control of their irrigation systems with ease. Whether you're a gardening novice or a seasoned pro, this product caters to a wide range of users. If you have a busy lifestyle, the convenience of controlling your sprinkler system remotely will be a game changer. This controller is also ideal for those who are environmentally conscious and want to save water while keeping their gardens lush and healthy. Practical use cases for the Hunter HPC400 are plentiful. Imagine being on vacation and easily adjusting your watering schedule from your phone to ensure your plants remain hydrated. Or perhaps you want to set different schedules for various areas of your garden, adapting to each zone's unique watering needs. The possibilities are endless. In summary, the Hunter HPC400 Wi-Fi Smart Sprinkler Controller is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their lawn care routine. With its smart features, user-friendly design, and reliable performance, it truly stands out in the market. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.